In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check a workbook for compatibility in Excel. If you ever share spreadsheets with people using older versions of Excel, or if you plan to publish your file somewhere that might not support the latest features, it's smart to run a compatibility check. This quick review helps you spot formulas, formatting, or objects that won't behave the same way outside your current version, so you can avoid broken features or unexpected formatting changes later. Start by opening the workbook you want to review. Then go to the File tab in the upper left corner. This opens what's called the Backstage view, where you manage settings, sharing, and file details. It's a good idea to save your workbook before you continue, so the check reflects your latest changes. Next, in the left-hand panel, choose Info. The Info page is your control center for file-level tasks. Here, you'll see options related to protecting, inspecting, and preparing your workbook for sharing. We're going to focus on the tools that help you review potential issues before you send the file out. Look for the section that includes Check for Issues. Click that button to open a small menu. From the list, select Check Compatibility. This opens the Compatibility Checker window, which scans your workbook and lists any features that might not be supported in earlier versions of Excel. In the Compatibility Checker, you'll see a summary of issues, each with a clear description of what might not work as expected. For example, it may flag certain functions introduced in newer versions, advanced conditional formatting, or objects like slicers and sparklines. It will also show where those items exist in your file, so you know which sheets or cells are affected. Use this information to decide whether you want to adjust those features for the audience you're sharing with. If you need to maintain full fidelity in older environments, consider alternatives that work consistently across versions. Or keep a modern copy for yourself and a simplified one for others. If the checker reports no issues, you're in great shape. Your workbook should open and behave as expected for your recipients. If it does list items, treat the report as your to-do list for cleanup. Address the most important items first, especially anything that affects your core calculations or key visuals. That's all there is to it. By going to File, selecting Info, choosing Check for Issues, and running Check Compatibility, you can confidently share your workbook, knowing exactly how it will perform for others. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling!